everyone. Greetings of the day. This is Samrat Pradhan from Homes India Magazine. And so, yes, we are part of Silicon India group of magazines. And today, yes, we have with us Soita Love. Thank you so much for allotting your time today.
Thank you, Samrat. Thank you for having me here.
And yes, I really want to wish you first, being selected as the one of the most promising women architects in Bangalore.
Thanks. Thank you so much.
Yes, today we're gonna talk about her journey, the expertise, the challenges of being a woman architect, and how she has overcome those challenges. We talk about the offerings that the charcoal pencil architects are known in the market for, and some of the future prospects as well. So yes, Sweta. First of all, let's begin with your journey, Sweta. I mean, how has it been? What made you start in this niche field of architecture? Love to know that.
Yes, so thank you. Thank you for having me here. Actually, my journey is kind of a very simple because I belong from a real estate business family. Like my dad is also a civil engineer, and my rest of my relatives, my uncles, they are also civil engineer. So it was rooted in me, and I've been seeing all them working outside, and I've been knowing a lot of terminologies starting. So it came from there. And then I did my bachelor's from Jaipur, and then my master's from Bangalore.
Master's from Bangalore.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And worked for almost 7-8 years in esteemed companies, and then I started my own. Yeah.
The charcoal
pencil architects. So there's a story if I can
please,
tell.
We'd love to know that.
Yeah. So when I was in my bachelor's, so in second year we started using the charcoal pencils. So when we use a charcoal pencil, it symbolizes that it's a perfection. You cannot use charcoal pencils in like that. You just need perfection to do it. You cannot rub it. You cannot smudge. It will smudge everywhere.
Absolutely.
So at that time, I didn't know if I would be able to start my own company and my own firm. But I thought of I will name my company Charcoal Pencil Architects.
Perfect.
In that time, it was in 2007, 2008. So this journey
back in 2008.
Yes. So I had that vision in my mind that I will be having one firm in future. Don't know when, but its name will be if I'm getting that name, I'll be checking that name.
So yes, to start with, I mean, bringing that vision to reality.
Yeah.
I mean, how was that journey? And we'd love to know about the inception story. What made you start with that?
Yes, so basically, as working for different firms, we have worked like tremendous hours and everything. So I after getting all those knowledges and everything, I thought I'll start my own. So I started with my own house interiors and
perfect.
Yeah, so and own house in my hometown and everywhere, and then we I thought of starting my own, and I started in 2019, and the COVID hits.
Exactly.
Yeah. So then.
So how was the process in overcoming those challenges of pandemic?
Yeah, pandemic was difficult for me. So I shifted to work from home concept like everybody else. And then all my projects, whatever was going on, we're trying to do as on site. We are sending people and all taking all those precautions and everything. But we have stopped it. But we didn't stop. I didn't stop my company. I thought of I had a lot of layoffs.
Exactly.
But I didn't stop it. And somehow I regained strength in 2022. And then it's been going on from there.
That sounds good. So we'll come to the projects that you guys are known in the market for later. So let's come up with, there's a thing in the market. I mean, the architect industry, it's men-led or men-dominated industry. So as a woman architect, what were the challenges you faced initially, and what all are the milestones that you believe gives you the utmost satisfaction?
Yes. So as a woman architect, even I have worked with different firms. They all were led by male architects. And it was very small niche where women architects are there. So I came across few, and I spoke to them and understand their challenges, how they have faced. So it's been pretty much challenging for us, even though on the matter of getting the payments,
Right.
and we are not like equally paid as till date now, but still the challenges what we face, like on the sites we
Right.
handle the ground staffs.
Right.
So from plumbers to electricians, from false ceiling guys,
Right.
everybody are male
Right.
members,
I can understand that.
and getting the order from a female sometimes is kind
Right.
of challenging. So understanding that, but we have our grounds, and we keep our priorities straight. We have given. So it's like if you are doing strategically the work, if you're like working with your drawings ready, with your every aspects is covered when you do.
Absolutely.
So from the ground starts, like you have plans, elevations, and the drawings, each and every aspect, like interior drawings, and then the architectural drawings. Then we have electrical drawings,
Right.
and so when we come up with full-fledged everything, so it's bit kind of okay.
Right.
So people will have less confusion and everything. But yeah, getting into this niche is quite still we are struggling.
Right.
Yeah,
So-
we are struggling.
What has been the biggest accomplishment for you that gives you the utmost satisfaction today?
Yeah, so the accomplishment is like I've been working throughout,
Right.
and I've never gave up on
That
my
is
dreams.
itself it's an
Yeah, I
achievement,
never gave up at all, even despite of situations like I thought I might have to stop it, because it's very pretty much challenging going around and
Right,
doing
absolutely.
stuffs. So, but I try to do different things as well. I've been doing taking reviews and academic reviews in
Right.
different colleges, then mentoring few juniors architects and interior designers, then have worked on as a architect as projects like apartments, single row houses, bungalows, HNI. So I cater all kind of segments.
Right.
Where
So,
it's
yes.
there. Yeah.
Yes, I was going through that as well. I mean,
Yeah.
the projects, I mean, it is
Yeah.
right from residential to, the commercial as well as
Yeah, so
from
residential,
institutions.
commercial, institutional, hospitality, all we covered. But mostly I cater into residentials
Okay,
and
right.
institutional
Right.
projects. So recently I have done a school project,
Okay,
which
right.
has a demand of having inclusivity of
Right.
all kind of kids.
Right.
So each classroom has its own challenges, where we had to
Right.
add few areas where they have to have a silent zone, and it was a quite
Right.
interesting
Exactly.
project for me, and it was taken very well from the client as well.
Perfect.
So it was good.
So yes, any other noteworthy projects that you feel you have covered that gives you that okay, this is what I wanted, and what was the success mantra behind it?
So there was one project that was like the land was very narrow, and the client wanted to have a full utility, like utilization
Right.
of the land. So a rigorous amount of 6-7 months of design
Right.
development stage, and having discussions every single
Exactly.
week, and come up with the idea where you have full ventilated flat and full ventilated and fully utilized, and the project itself, it's a success because it was sold like that.
Exactly.
Once it was gone. So yeah, it was a remarkable project. One more project I did, it's currently ongoing, and we have 100% Vastu compliance
right.
to do. So that's a kind of challenging.
Right.
So kind of doing those projects, and in the interior aspects, as you were asking me that how you cope up.
Right.
So architectural and everything was stopped during pandemic.
Right, absolutely.
So we shifted to interiors
Right.
also, and that interior shiftment has given me a lot of confidence to not to shut down my company.
Exactly. And continue.
And continued.
Right.
So currently I'm catering almost 10-15 interior projects in Bangalore and
Okay.
pan India as well.
Perfect. I really want to wish you the best for the same.
Thank you.
So yes, Sweta. So any particular interesting project that you like to speak of and let our viewers know about it?
Yes, so very recently, like in last year, I guess.
Okay,
So I came up with a project where the initial architect who has doing the work in that project just left because of some
In
reason
between.
in between. So project is like 40% done. The
Okay.
building is done, but not the anything. So that project came to me, that client came to me, and I took up the project, the challenges. I knew
Right.
that taking up a different
To half-finished, exactly. That is more, I mean,
more
difficult, I
difficult.
believe, yeah.
So you are not knowing a lot of aspects of that project.
Right.
So getting into that and accomplishing it, and then I took the entire project. It was architectural plus interior designing. So it's ongoing right now, and it's been 1 year, and we
Right.
completed the architectural work. Now the interior work is gonna get started.
Perfect.
And I can vouch for that. The client is very happy.
Right. And I'm pretty sure that will exceed the expectations of the client.
Yeah.
Yes. So, Sweta, I mean, we've talked about a lot of aspects. So, what about the future roadmap? I mean, what do you expect? I mean, going forward, what we can expect from you guys in the years to come?
Yes, so I want to connect with a lot of different builders. Want to have a lot of different projects, like the big scales. I want to get into those scales.
Right.
So want to do the city planning because I have done my master's as well, and I want to get into that.
Right.
And I'm into talk to a lot of builders and developers.
Right.
So in Bangalore, it will be getting few projects in the future.
Perfect.
And integrating a lot of new technologies is
Right.
very important, which can reduce the design development timelines
right.
for us.
The
And
timeline,
can
I guess,
give-
it's very important.
it's very important.
Right.
So even though in the architecture, a lot of we are using new technologies, Revit, and the old ones,
Right.
AutoCAD. Those are like our tools. So
Exactly.
the way we sketch, we use AutoCAD. Then the rendering software, SketchUp and Revit and all that. Those tools we are using. But the
Right.
AI is something which we need to incorporate.
Perfect.
And I'm thinking like getting into that. And globally, we want to have
Expand.
spanning, so we can get the global contributions and
Exactly.
connections. So that will help in building our
Perfect.
firm more.
Perfect.
better.
Really want
Yeah.
to wish you the best for all
Thank
your
you so
future
much.
endeavors.
Thank you.
And so, yes, Sweta, thank you so much for all those insightful, answers. So, lastly, I guess this would be very important. We'd love to have a piece of advice from you. Having all those years of experience, we'd love to have advice for the young and upcoming women architects.
Yes. So first, basically, I would like to tell congratulations to be in this field,
Right.
because it's not an easy job to
right.
do. And once you are into this field, you have to give your time, space,
Right.
and be very honest what you do. And if you are starting your own, have your all knowledge, like you should know about it first.
Right.
For example, if you're building an apartment, so you should know what all things goes around with it.
Exactly.
You're not just designing a building. It's just like all those
Right.
other vendors, other associations has to be done properly. Be very resilient about it. Have your calm and compose.
Right.
Otherwise it will be very difficult to survive in this field. So client will come and barge at any point of
True.
time. They will message any point of time. They are clients. They need those
Obviously.
things, and you need to have your answers ready.
True.
Always show calmness, and you should not lose your patience. That's the key aspect I feel in this field. And go with confidence, go with all those fire in yourself, and get ready and accomplish. That's what I would give the advice to everyone.
Thank you, Sweta. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much
so
for that
much.
advice. And yes, once again, really want to congratulate for being selected as one of the promising women architects in Bangalore.
Thank you so
and,
much.
We wish you to see you again in our office.
Definitely.
Right?
Thank you.
And thank you so much.
Thank you.